The receipts that earn the most on Fetch Rewards are usually the ones that include eligible promotional products, not simply the receipts with the highest total spent. By the end of this, you'll know what kinds of receipts typically qualify for more rewards, how to avoid missing eligible purchases, and what habits can help you earn consistently. The first thing to understand is that receipt value and reward value are not the same thing. A large grocery receipt doesn't automatically earn more than a smaller one. What matters is whether the products on that receipt match active offers or participating brands recognized by the app. Before shopping, open Fetch Rewards and browse the available offers. Pay attention to featured brands and limited-time promotions. If you're already planning to buy one of those products, purchasing it during an active promotion can increase the value of your receipt. After shopping, scan your receipt as soon as possible. Waiting too long increases the chance that the receipt is misplaced, damaged, or forgotten. A clear scan also gives the app a better chance of recognizing eligible items correctly. Make sure the receipt is complete before scanning. The store name, purchase date, item list, and total should all be visible. If any part is cut off or blurry, eligible products may not be recognized during processing. Another smart habit is checking your receipt after it has been processed. If an eligible product wasn't recognized correctly, review the details and follow the available support process if you believe something was missed. Keeping your receipt until the reward is finalized gives you proof if questions come up later. Don't buy products you don't actually need just because they're featured in an offer. The best rewards come from combining promotions with purchases you already plan to make. That way you're saving money while earning rewards instead of spending extra just to collect points. It's also worth checking the app regularly. Available offers change over time, so the brands that qualify this week may not be the same next week. A quick look before each shopping trip helps you avoid missing opportunities. Finally, follow the platform's rules when submitting receipts. Submitting duplicate receipts, altered images, or receipts that don't meet eligibility requirements can create account issues instead of earning rewards. To sum it up, the highest paying receipts usually contain eligible promotional products. Clear receipt images matter, scanning promptly helps, and reviewing active offers before shopping gives you the best chance to maximize rewards. Next, make it a habit to check available offers before every grocery trip instead of after you've already checked out. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Fetch Rewards tips, and check out our other videos covering receipt scanning, missing points, and reward app strategies.